How can you increase the curb appeal of your home at nighttime? Well, pathway lighting like this system you see here is one way to do exactly that. The folks at Gardenreet sent me a professional grade pathway lighting system, so I'm going to open everything up and just do a quick inventory. And the first thing I want to check out are the lights themselves. Obviously extreme heat, extreme moisture, snow, ice, you got it. And you can see this particular model has grading on top of the luminaire. So if you've got a lot of foot traffic in your yard or along your pathways, even if you got a couple of dogs running around, these things will take it. Even the wiring on these luminaires is very high quality. So these are very well made lighting systems, and they're going to last for years and years and years. Now, as mentioned, these luminaires are very well constructed. They're super heavy duty. They also have 5 bolts holding the top portions in place. I like to use a power drill to remove those bolts. And then once I get the bolts out of the way, I can remove the top. Just below each top is a pretty thick rubber gasket, so these things have a lot of weatherproofing going on. And then once we get the top and the rubber gasket out of the way, we can look and see where the bulb is installed. And it actually plugs into a kind of a trapeze-like metal assembly. Makes it easier to center up the bulb once it's in place. You want to use MR16 LED bulbs like this one. Make sure those 2 little pins align into where it plugs in so you don't bend them, and then we'll just put it all back together. I took a similar approach to planting luminaires in the xeriscape portion of our front lawn. Again, I just packed pea-sized gravel around each lantern, and then once I was done with that, I put a layer of decorative rock over the pea-sized gravel for a nice finish. So by day, these pathway lights are out of sight, out of mind, but by night, this Gardenreet pathway lighting system offers wonderful ambience to your front yard, side yard, backyard, wherever you need pathway lights, and you'll also get a measure of security as well. So I want to give a big shout out, a big thanks to the folks at Gardenreet, and I hope this video helps you with your pathway lighting project.